So over here we are given an array of strings, okay, and then I need to group the anagrams together. So I need to return the answer in any order. So over here I have EAT. If I have to sort this in ascending order, so this will be AET, okay, then comes TEA. If I sort this again, so over here this is after sorting. If I sort this again, this becomes AET. Now I have got TAN. So if I sort this will be A and T. Then I got ATE. So if I have got ATE, after sorting this would also lead to AET. Then I got NAT. Okay, so this is NAT. So after sorting this would lead to ANT, and at the end I have got BAT. Post sorting I get ABT. So what we can observe, anagrams, oh, these three anagrams are same. So sorry, these three strings are same. So what we can conclude, if we sort the given string and we get something similar, in that case the anagrams can be grouped. Okay, so over here this ANT and ANT, so these are same, hence this and this would be grouped. And over here BAT is left with nothing, so this goes in another group. So this goes in group 1, this goes in group 1, these two go in another group, and this one in another. So this is fairly simple. So what I do, I'll tell you the steps. My first step would be to create a map of key and value, where my key over here would tell me the sorted order, okay, and this will be the original string, okay, and I run a for loop for all strings and check if that sorted order is present in the key. In that case I will append it into the value, and post that I'll iterate over this value and then create my vector of vector, that is a 2D vector of strings. So over here my first step would be to create a hash map. So I say let mutable MP. So this is a hash map, first being string, the key being string, and the value being vector of string. Okay, so I do hash map colon new. Okay, since I have used a hash map, I have to import hash map. So I will say use standard colon collections hash map. Okay, now what I do for s that belongs to strings. Okay, I iterate through each string in the input vector, and I say let mutable characters. So I convert the string into a vector of characters. So this is vector of character, this will be equal to s dot characters dot collect. Okay, post that I'll sort this. So I sort the characters to create the anagram key, and then I say let my key be string equal to characters dot into. So this is characters dot into iterator dot collect. Okay, so this line over here converts sorted characters back into a string. Now I say so I do mp dot entry key. Okay, so this will access the entry corresponding to the sorted key. Then I do dot or insert. Okay, so create a new vector if the key doesn't exist. So I say vector new. Okay, and I push this s. So I add the original string to the corresponding group. Post that I create something called mutable answer. So this will be vector of strings. Okay, something like this. Okay, so this is vector colon colon new. So this vector is used to store the final grouped anagrams, and then I do that belongs to group. So I iterate through all key value pairs in the hash map. Okay, I say empty and I do answer dot push group. So I add each group of anagram to the answer. Post that I return answer. Let me run this. So over here, let mutable mp hash map is okay. This string s will be capital